These are SOSS hinges, S-O-S-S, invisible hinges, going in a teak 9-foot door. And there's Wolf over this for Horizon Woodworking. Wolf's doing an invisible door that swings in with regular hinges. And that big door goes in this wall, but it swings out. So we have 8 of those hinges. This is the front hall closet. And teak paneling in the alloy home. And that's up on the ceiling in front of the windows here. So the idea is that there'd be a touch latch door that swings out. And be invisible when it's closed. And that's the fireplace wall that sort of matches it.